Okay, they talk about following the money. Now I want to show you something. This is a website called opensecrets.org, and it'll show you the campaign contributions politicians get, so you can see who's influencing them, and you can even see what their investments are. You know what their personal net worth is, and so forth. For instance, let's take a look at Ron Paul. Now you can do this. Let me show you. Go to politicians' elections, personal finances. Then you go over here and search by the person. Just type their name in. And I did that, and his name comes up, and you click it, and you get the form that they file that states their assets. And this is Ron Paul, and I want to show you what's really interesting about him, because I consider him to be one of the most honest people in politics. And he's been saying for years that the country's going through a dollar crisis, there's too much debt, and this is going to cause problems down the road, which would make gold and gold stocks go up. Well, this is what's really interesting. If you look at his assets, and they're listed right here, you'll see that he owns some property. He's a congressman from Texas. He's got 9 acres of property here, and some property off a lake. But then if you look at his other investments, they're almost all gold stocks. Agnico Eagle, Anglo Gold, Brigus Gold, Barrick Gold, some silver companies. These are 2 silver companies, Dundee, Eldorado, and here this looks like a checking account, First National Bank. So he's got some money in cash. Goldcorp, Golden Star, Great Basin, all gold companies. It looks like he's got a condo in Alexandria. Kinross, all gold companies. I don't know about this, but he's only got 15 grand in it. Some mutual securities thing. It says I got some sort of mutual fund. Pan American Silver, Silver Wheaton. So Ron Paul is someone who doesn't just say stuff for polls or anything like that. He's actually put his money behind what he talks about. You know, if you follow anything he says about the Federal Reserve or the economy, it's all supportive to higher gold prices and gold stock prices and precious metals in general, and that's what he's invested in. You know, and he's right, I believe. What I'm going to do is, on right near this video, you see an opt-in box. Opt into there, and we'll follow what Paul's doing of his investments, and we'll follow the gold industry, what are other good investments in there. And I've been trading stocks for years now. Used to run a hedge fund. I'll even throw in a free guide of my own to picking stocks, the system I used when I was running the fund to generate big returns. And you know, I'll update you on what Paul's doing, what he's talking about in his speeches, what he's saying about the Federal Reserve, and so forth. And we'll see what other politicians are doing too. And anyway, I think this is pretty cool, and just opt in. I'll send you this pretty cool information, and we'll keep in touch with each other.